Associated Equipment Company, or AEC, probably doesn't set off any bells or whistles until you add the Routemaster after. In 1962, the company that produced the Routemaster was taken over by Leyland, and the ergonomic tip cab began appearing in the AEC line. This Lesney product is arguably an AEC Mercury. Lesney produced this cab in a variety of castings, but it started producing the cab as a Horsebox in 1970, and it continued through 1972 when this one was produced. Yellow cab, green box. They used this box for the back of a 1978 release as well. Well, they used a different cab. Today I'm looking to restore this Lesney classic, so stick around.
Another night of dreams, they keep chewing on my sleep and spitting out my whole work week every morning. Well, this city is a sea, and its undertow grab me and drag me off into the deep without a warning. I'm longing for the silence, feel delay my head, where the engines and the sirens are no longer my debt, and I can finally hear my conscience, listen close to what it says. If you don't make your bed, you don't have to lie in it. Compromise, motor fumes and burning eyes and drunken violence through the city.
Anybody who does this knows that these AEC bases have a tendency to break the ends of the bumpers off, and I'll tell you, I've tried 6 ways from Sunday to fix the ends of the bumpers, and this time, really what it came down to was just being tired of it. And now you can download it free on Thingiverse.
And I can finally hear my conscience, listen close to what it said. If you don't make your bed, you don't have to lie in it. my backpack in my tent, and a thumb pointing to heaven, and a couple bucks to spend if I get hungry. Well, this land demands no rent, though the air I breathe is lent, and the sun is so quiet as it shines on me. I'm longing for the silence, I feel the lay in my head, where the engines and the sirens are no longer my debt, and I can finally hear my conscience listen close to what it said. If you don't make your bed, you don't have to lie in it. If you don't make your bed, you don't have to lie in it.